Hey guys, Mitch with Shock Therapy, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the front limit strap kit on the Yamaha Wolverine RMAX. These limit straps are going to do a couple different things for you guys. Not only does it cure the front end clunk that some of these cars have, it also helps with the overextension of the axle at full droop. This limit strap kit is also fully adjustable, so when it comes time that the strap is stretched, you simply undo the two jam nuts at the top, raise the clevis, and you have your adjustable strap set to the correct length again. Our limit strap kit also has the least amount of leverage as possible by mounting the clamp to the top of the shock. This keeps the strap in line with the shock as close as it possibly can be. This limit strap install should take you no longer than an hour or two, so let's jump on in. Steve's going to show you guys how to do it. Your first step in the installation is to jack up the front of the vehicle until both front tires are off the ground. Starting with the lower hardware first, remove the factory lower hardware using a 14mm wrench and a 17mm socket. Next, remove the upper hardware using the same 17mm socket and 14mm wrench. Remove the lower bolt followed by the upper bolt and remove the shock from the vehicle. Place the shock onto a bench and begin disassembling the limit strap clamp. Place the clamp onto the shock and begin finger tightening down the hardware until the clamp is snug. For the passenger side front shock, the limit strap clamp is going to be facing the rear side of the vehicle. Make sure that the limit strap clamp is slightly off-centered, more towards the reservoir. Tighten down the hardware holding the limit strap clamp onto the shock and make sure that you torque all the hardware to 20 foot-pounds. Next, remove one of the lock washers and one of the jam nuts and install the clevis into the limit strap clamp. Remove the bolt in the clevis and make sure that you use red Loctite when you reassemble. Install the strap into the clevis and tighten down the clevis bolt. Next, set your measurement of your limit strap clamp from the center of the hole of the strap to the center of the hole of the shock and make sure it is set at 1 inch. With your measurement set, you can now lock down the upper jam nut holding the clevis to the limit strap clamp. Next, install the shock back into the vehicle. Reinstall the factory upper hardware followed by the nut on the backside. For the lower hardware, you are not going to be reusing the factory lower hardware. Instead, use the supplied bolt given in the kit. Make sure that you remove the big hourglass spacer and install the bolt through the front of the shock, followed by the spacer on the backside, followed by the nut. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. With both front shocks reinstalled, you can now lower the vehicle back onto the ground. Compress the suspension just enough to get the strap to line up with the bolt. Install the strap onto the bolt, install the washer, followed by the nut. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Make sure to rejack the vehicle up off the ground to get the limit straps tight before you begin tightening down all of the hardware. Starting with the lower hardware first, finishing with the upper, and repeat this step on the opposite side. With all the hardware tightened, you can now lower the vehicle back onto the ground and compress the suspension. Next, install the tether of the limit strap onto the spring, ensuring that the limit strap is going to stay nice and tight to the shock. Repeat this step on the opposite side. And your installation is complete. We hope that this video helped you guys with the installation of your front strap kit at home. One thing to keep in mind is that these straps are going to stretch over time. The adjustable clevis is going to be the best thing that you can do to adjust the strap, making sure that it does stay the correct length. All of our limit straps are quad layered and triple stitched to ensure that you guys can have them last throughout the harshest conditions. They're also made right here in the USA, and if you'd like to purchase them, feel free to visit the website at www.shocktherapyusa.com. For any technical help on this video or any of our other products, feel free to reach out at 623-217-4959. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video.